Hello and welcome to another Primavera P6 lesson by Global Project Control. In this lesson, we want to talk about one of the problems in the Primavera P6. When you assign the resources to the project and then you cannot find the exact value of the resources between the on the left I have the activity usage profile, on the right I have the resource assignment. As you see, on the 11th of September I have 1220 in the activity usage profile, but I have 1020 in the 11th of September, the same date, but with the different budget labor unit. I create a project with a few activities for better understanding this topic. During the resource assignment, if we face it with this situation, the budget of activity usage profile include a distribution for all amount of the budget, but we cannot find this distribution on the resource side. What does it mean? It means that during the creation of the project, we have some activity with the assigned budgeted labor unit, but we forgot to assign the resource to this activity. We can easily find those activities. Over here, if you look at all the activities included the budget labor unit. But here, if I want to compare this spreadsheet with the resource assignment, you will see that on the end of the project, I have less budgeted hours. You can easily find this problem with the help of the filter. You need to go to the filter and then create a new filter, and over here it should be resource ID is equal to the blank. Resource IDs is equal to the blank. Then after this filter, you will see that some of activity you have it on your list, but these activities include the budget hours. But if I go to the resources, as you see, I don't have any assigned resource for this activity. So I press the add resources, then apply this one for the section 1 and this one for the section 2. Now, if like the previous time, if I split the screen to two sections, and I want to show it to you from the beginning of the project up to the 11th of September. And I want to show the exact system over here also. Let me to remove the filtration and click on the activity usage spreadsheet here. Now you can see that we have 1220 with the same distribution on the first line for both of them. This is the problem we want to discuss it today. Hope it was useful for you. Thank you for watching Global Project Control. I hope this lesson was helpful to you. Please keep up to date on LinkedIn, YouTube, Instagram, or Facebook for more lessons. You can also visit our website www.globalprojectcontrol.com to find all of our lessons and courses at once. Thank you for subscribing to the GPC YouTube channel.